So with our image inserted, the next thing to do is create the table that contains this bit of text here. We'll create this table underneath our last table. Then create a table row. Now create a table column. I've set this the column, the height to 72 pixels, horizontal alignment to center, and vertical alignment to top. That means the text will start at the top of the column. Now we'll create a nested table inside the column, and a table row. And then the column that will contain the actual text. Okay, so this column has a width of 726 pixels, alignment of center. We've attached a font attribute to style the text, and that's it. Just close the font tag and also close the column and refresh the page.